Dialects of Middle English. Earlier we have been studied about the dialects of Old English, but now we have to go through the dialects of Middle English. Okay, students. So here the dialects of Middle English. One of the most striking features of the Middle English was the fact that the dialects of Middle English existed in both spoken and written form. There was no single literary standard, and the language varied from county to county. Further, Old English has 4 dialects, but the Middle English had one more. It means there were 5 dialects. They were known as the Northern, Southern, East Midland, West Midland, and Kentish. One of the last remains unchanged. The Northumbrian of Old English is now called the Northern, West Saxon is now called the Southern, and Mercian is divided into 2 dialects, which came to be known as the East Midland as well as the West Midland. Modern English has evolved from the East Midland dialect. A number of factors, together with the geographical consideration, led to a situation where the East Midland dialects became the most important and the useful to the people of this is. So the major point of this topic is what that the Old English had 4 dialects, whereas the Middle English has 5 dialects. And through this chart we can see the Old English had how the Old English has 4 dialects, which has been converted into the Middle English, the 5 dialects of the Middle English. Northumbrian, where the Northumbrian was there, and this Northumbrian has been changed into Northern, and the West Saxon has been changed into Southern. Mercian divided into 2 parts that you can see through this chart, East Midland as well as the West Midland, and the Kentish remain the same. The major part of this topic is another major part of this topic is this: the modern English has evolved from the East Midland dialect. It means the East Midland dialect, which has been divided from the derived from the Mercian one, and Mercian dialect of Old English has been derived into the East Midland and West Midland, and the same East Midland of the Middle English dialect that has been evolved as changed into East Midland dialect, change into modern English. It means the modern English has been evolved from the East Midland. It means through this chart I can show you again this Northumbrian was there, that has been changed into northern dialect of the Middle English, and West Saxon has been changed into the southern dialect of the Middle English. Mercian of the Old English had been divided into 2 parts. These 2 parts were there, the 2 named East Midland and West Midland. East Midland and West Midland. And the Kentish remain the same. Whatever was there Kentish in the Old English, the same remain in the modern English. So through these all you can just see how this dialect changed and how these have been derived. And the major part was that the modern English evolved from the East Midland language, East Midland dialect. Okay.